Hello everyone. Today we'll be solving our 10th problem in our array series, and here if you see the question says a container with most water. So we will be given an integer array height that is represents the height of the wall, we can say, and there are n vertical lines drawn such that the two endpoints of the line I of 0 and I of height of the eye, right? That's what I was given. Find the line together with x-axis form a container such that the container contains the most water. Return the maximum amount of water a container can store. Notice that you may not slant the container. Okay. The first example here, like 1, 8, 6, 2, 5, 4, 8, 3, and 7. Now let's see how we'll be doing it. So as per the example here, you see now in the example we have the number of containers like 1, 8, 6, 2, 5, 4, 8, 3, 7. So it says that every number in that array represents a wall, kind of like the wall of the container. And as for the problem says, every time we consider two walls, we just have to ignore other walls, right? It's not like the area of water. There is another problem like that. It is not like that. For example, we are considering maybe 1 and 7. We just have to ignore everything in between. We just have to consider a container that has 1 wall at left side and 7 wall in the right side. Okay, so if you put this in the line right here, 1, so this is like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, this is 9. So we're gonna start with it 1, then 8, right? 8, then you're gonna do 6, then you're gonna go 2, then 5, then 4, then 8 again, then 3, and then 7. Okay, so now how are we going to calculate the area? So area is nothing but the water area is nothing but, for example, if you're considering from let's consider this area, right? One we considering 0 and the other one you considering 8 position. So the total area would be okay. Now in this particular case, what gonna happen here is what will be because it's a water, we have to consider the smallest between these two, right? This is like 1, and the area will be like 8 minus 0, that's into 1, that is 8. Same way, now we go to pointer to here to 1th number, and we'll keep it in 7. It will become like what is the minimum between 2, that is 7 into 8 minus 1, that is 49, and so on, right? We'll keep going that. And now the pattern is like, if we see a highest wall, the chances are that the highest container with the highest wall will contain the most water. So when we iterating from left to right, we'll see now the 8 is larger than 1. So we're gonna move our pointer to 1. Same way, now in this particular case, after moving the pointer to 1, we will see next is 8, or another pointer is at the end, right? Is 8 greater than 7? No. So move the smaller pointer, right? So now because 7 is smaller, we're gonna get the smaller pointer to here, right? Now we're gonna in the meantime we will be keeping track of the area, max area, right? And then when we come to here, we're gonna again check, okay, 3 greater than, okay, 3 is smaller than 8, so again we'll be moving the third one, and so on. When both are equal, so we're equal, then we don't have to even compare, we just have to move any one of those. So we can move maybe the left one, and the same thing again. Then we see, okay, 6 is smaller than 8, then again move the left one, and so on, until while I is less than left is less than right. So this should be our trick. So we will be, because there is only way that we will be considering only two walls, and our goal is to keep consider the highest wall, because that will increase our chance of containing more water. Every time we get a wall, we just have to move the pointers. So now let's implement this particular logic in our code. So here, like function get container, with max water. Now input is like nums. Now we're gonna find the left and right pointer. Let left and right pointer equals to like 0, and we're gonna, one side is 0 and another side will be the last length minus 1, the last index, that is nums dot length minus 1. Okay, now then we have to let max equals to 0, right? Now while let left less than right, okay, let length equals to right minus left, okay, and let area equals to it will be like smaller, like math dot mean, right? Method mean of left and right, nums of left, nums of right into our length. This will be our area, and max equals to max dot max max to area. If now left, sorry, nums of left greater than nums of right, nums of left is greater than nums of right, then we'll move the right pointer to the left. Else, if it's equal or it is larger, in both cases we're gonna move the left pointer to the right. And I believe at the end, in this case, our max should have the maximum water container. Let's see, return max. This should solve our problem. Now let's write some test cases for this one. I forgot to write it. Oh, come on. Container with water, return max water. Now what we're gonna do is like expect to be like container with max water. Now our test cases are given in here. Should return 49. And another test case given was like if 1 it should return 1. Let's see. Oh, 1. Now let's debug, sorry, let's run the test case. There you go. So our test cases is passed. The maximum water return is 49, and that's that. Thank you.